Okay guys, so since I'm using this right now, I might as well do a review on this also. I have this product for about 3 to 4 years now, and I really like this thing because this thing has saved me a couple of times already. This thing will work with a standard car battery, AGM, gel battery, wet battery, you have your motorcycle battery, and this thing can also do a repair. So right now you can see my battery just finished charging, so now it turns off by itself. So it doesn't overcharge your battery. I also like that you can switch to the repair if you need to. So right now, since I already have it here, it's not gonna just switch it. I have to actually remove this from the battery. Okay, once I remove one of the connectors, now I'll be able to switch from whatever battery I want. And if you want to repair your battery, I actually was able to repair one car battery, and I was also able to use this to repair the 12-volt battery for my security system. So if you're looking for a battery maintainer, battery charger, and a battery repair product in one, then I highly recommend getting something like this one right here, because the other ones will just charge your battery but will not let you maintain it or do a trickle charge when you are not using your car, and also will not repair your battery if it needs some desulfation. So I highly recommend this product. I have this for a couple of years now and it's still going strong.